Okay, children, we have done till exercise 5.6. Now we have to start exercise 5.7. Before I start the exercise, I need to introduce you with the second order derivative. Okay, second order derivative, as it is clear from the term second order itself, that derivative, first order derivative means a function differentiated once. Second order derivative means differentiating the same function once again. It means twice if we differentiate a function, the result obtained is known as the second order derivative. For example, this is in general. Suppose y is equal to fx, a function of x. Y is a function of x. Then dy by dx, that is f dash x, फर्स्ट ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव के लिए आपका सिंगल डैश आता है, ठीक है, इज नोन एज द फर्स्ट ऑर्डर derivative. Means we have differentiated this y with respect to x, so here we write f dash x. Now whatever will be the value of fx, suppose fx is x square plus 5, then f dash x is going to be twice of x. Then second order derivative means d by dx of this dy by dx, ठीक है. Once again we have to differentiate this dy by dx with respect to x, and here it becomes f double dash x, second order derivative, ठीक है. So this is written as d2y upon dx square, ठीक है. This function is known as second order derivative becomes d2y upon dx square is equal to f double dash x. With reference to our this example, f double dash x means once again if we differentiate it, that is going to be 2, ठीक है. तो first order derivative means result obtained on differentiating given function once, and double derivative means second order derivative means we differentiate the same 2 times, ठीक है. Second order derivative is also denoted by y double dash, whereas y dash is the first derivative. जैसे y आपका function है y equals to fx, ये symbols हम अब बहुत use करने वाले हैं, so you should be clear with these. Y is equal to fx is the given function, then first order derivative dy by dx is denoted as y dash, and second order derivative f double dash x, that is d2y upon dx square, is denoted by y double dash. Let's take few examples of this. Suppose I'm taking from the exercise only. Exercise, this is 5.7. Question number 1. I'm taking the given function as find the second order derivative of the following functions it is saying. So I'm considering the function as y. Y is x square plus 3x plus 2. Then dy by dx, first order derivative is going to be twice of x, पार रूल लगा आपका, plus 3, and then d2y by dx square, second order derivative is equal to 2 plus derivative of 3 is 0, that is equal to 2, ठीक है. So this is your second order derivative. Similarly, you have the second question, which is very simple. Y is equal to x raised to the power 20. So dy over dx will be by power rule 20 in front, x raised to the power 20 minus 1, that is 19, and d2y over dx, second order derivative is, once again we are going to differentiate this, 20 is a constant, will remain as it is. By power rule this 19 will come in front, so 19 20s are 380, x raised to the power 19 minus 1, that is 18, ठीक है. Same way I am taking the third question, where the given function is y is equal to x cos x, ठीक है. We have x cos x as the next. Now you can see this is product of two functions, x and cos x, so we need to use what? We need to use product rule here. This x is what? This is u and this is what? V, ठीक है. तो आपका dy by dx जब आएगा, we'll use product rule for that. Suppose I take du by dx, then it will be 1 into cos x plus this time u will remain as it is. So x into d by dx of cos x, that is minus sine x, you know the rule. D by dx of uv, for this product rule we have u into dv by dx plus du by dx into v, ठीक है. तो I have taken du, this term I have taken first, second one कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, because addition is there, तो change order can be changed. So what we have taken, du by dx, that is 1, cos x as it is. Next time जिसको डिफरेंशिएट कर दिया था, x को किया था, वी हैव डिफरेंशिएटेड x इन दिस फर्स्ट वन, सो इट विल रिमेन एज इट इज नाउ. डी बाई डी एक्स ऑफ cos x इज माइनस साइन x, सो दिस इज व्हाट cos x माइनस x sin x dy by dx. ठीक है. Now this is first order derivative, but we have to tell second order derivative. So once again we will differentiate. d2y upon dx square will be d by dx of cos x minus sin x हो जाएगा, minus of d by dx of x sin x. ठीक है. यहाँ पे क्या हुआ, यहाँ पे तो मैंने डायरेक्टली लिख दिया. Here I need to again use the product rule. Here I have written the derivative. Cos x derivative is minus sin x. d by dx of this again we'll use power rule. This term will be copied as it is. ठीक है. So what do we get next? d2y upon dx square will be minus of sin x minus d by dx of x sin x. जब हम कर रहे हैं तो x डेरिवेटिव इज 1, sin x as it is, plus x as it is, derivative of x as it is, derivative of sin x as cos x. Again I have used what? This rule, product rule. Derivative of x is 1, sin x as it is, plus x as it is, derivative of sin cos हो जाएगा. That is minus of sin x minus sin x minus x cos x. ठीक है. So this is now two, these are the like terms, so we can write it as negative of 2 sin x minus x cos x. This is your second order derivative d2y upon dx square, or you can also write it as y double dash. ठीक है. स्कोर क्या कहते हैं, d2y upon dx square is equal to y double dash. So this way we have to find out the second order derivative. जैसे आप अभी तक करते आ रहे थे, like you were differentiating earlier, the same way we have to go, but we have to go 2 times. Once for the first order derivative as usual, dy by dx, and once again we have to differentiate for the second order derivative. I hope this much is clear to you.